Good morning, friends. This is Danielle Pouncey coming to you with another live video all the way from Texas. I hope everyone is having a great morning so far. I'm just going to give it a few minutes for some people to hop on. I hope everyone's morning is going great. I hope everyone is staying motivated and staying positive. For those of you who are going to watch this later on in the day, please hashtag replay for me. And if you're tuning in, let me know where you're tuning in from. So guys, for those of you who are new to my page, my name is Danielle Pouncey. I'm a wife, a mom, and I'm also an online marketer. I have been doing online marketing for a few years now, and I help individuals achieve financial success and freedom, which brings me to the reason why I am doing this live. Hi guys, let me know where you're tuning in from. I see a few people watching. Hi Mary. Let me know where you're tuning in from. So guys, yes, I want to invite you to this amazing webinar that we're having tonight. It's at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 6 p.m. Central Time. And it's regarding a business that I've been in for the past 3.5 months. Guys, this business has really taken off. We have crossed over 1,000 members, and this business has already paid out almost $300,000 to its members, guys. Guys, this business is a movement, and I want you all to be a part of this journey with me. So that is the reason why I am inviting you out tonight, so that you can hear more about this amazing program. Hi guys, thanks for tuning in. So that you can hear more about this amazing program, and you get to hear about some of our members' testimonials and how they've been having success with the program. Guys, if you're needing help branding yourself, or you're needing help with a certain aspect of your online business, I highly recommend that you jump on this webinar tonight. You're going to get some life-changing information on how you can run your online business successfully. So guys, I'm going to leave the link in the comments to register, and I also have the information in my storyline. So if you have any additional questions, you can message me and I will get back to you when I'm done with the live. Hi guys, thanks for tuning in. So guys, I'm going to end this live now. I hope you have an amazing day, and I hope that I see you on the webinar tonight. Bye guys.